So on today's video, we are going to talk all about the new Sonia Kashuk Marble Beauty Sponge. By the end of this video, hopefully you guys can decide whether it's worth buying this sponge or not. But before we get started, my name is Alejandra, and on this channel, we talk all about products that solve your beauty concerns or simplify your beauty routine. So if you guys are a product junkie just like I am, please consider subscribing. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. So here's a sponge that we are going to be talking about. It came in this packaging right here. I'm just going to go ahead and read what the packaging says. It says it has two surfaces that allow flexible application and blending of concealers, highlighters, contours, and foundations. Use the pointed tip for targeted concealing and coverage in hard-to-reach areas. The flat bottom to buff in product for a smooth, seamless finish. The way they recommend to use this is obviously to wet the blender because this avoids product absorption, and then apply the product to the face and neck in a sweeping or patting motion. Wash at least twice a week to help keep blender clean, soft, and bacteria free. This is the blender wet. I've already used it. There is a flat edge to the blender, which I absolutely enjoyed, and also the top is a little bit more on the pointy side. This is a lot bigger than most sponges that I've used. I actually appreciate the size of this because it allows me to blend out my makeup and foundation faster than what I would do with this sponge right here. Obviously this is a dry sponge, but even when I wet this sponge, this is the L'Oreal sponge, it doesn't get as big as this one. So I did appreciate the size difference in this sponge. The flat edge really does blend in the makeup seamlessly, and then if you guys are used to using the pointed edge regardless, you can still use it. I know some of you guys might not like the flat edge. I was a little skeptical at the beginning, but after using it, I didn't mind it at all. The pointy edge on the top allows me to blend in my concealer really nice. You can always squeeze it to get into more tighter areas, or if you do have a smaller eye area, you can always squeeze that. I squeezed it when I went into my in between my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip so that you guys can see me putting the foundation on. I liked how easy it was to clean. I was a little worried that I might not be able to clean this off because of it being white, and then like the majority of the bottom is also white, so I thought I wasn't going to be able to clean it, but it did do a good job of getting everything out when I was cleaning it. I'm going to show you guys. I am a little bit rough with my beauty sponges, so when I do clean them, I notice sometimes certain sponges, for example, the Real Techniques is a sponge that did get frayed, and it was like a little too delicate for the way that I was washing my sponge. The L'Oreal sponge is a pretty good sponge. It's not bothered by me cleaning it, but this one, some of the sponge did get a little destroyed, I guess, after I washed it. The bottom, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's this little piece of it already coming off, which is a little bit of a downer because I did enjoy the way that the brush or the sponge blended out my foundation. I don't think it's a deal breaker, but it is kind of a shame. And yeah, all in all, I think this is a good sponge. I think I am more excited about how big it is because it does cover a larger area when you blend away your makeup. So it does allow you guys to blend it much faster than what you would do with a tinier sponge. And yeah, the only con is that it shows some signs of wear after the first wash. Other than that, the size of it, the feel of it, the way it blends, It's awesome. The price, $7 at Target. Overall, this is a very good sponge. I really enjoyed using it. I will continue using it in future videos so you guys can see, you know, how it works or keeps on working. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little mini review on this sponge. If you guys have any questions or anything that I didn't cover, because sometimes I am such a scatterbrain, please leave it in the comment section below. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.